talk about how can you pay on your Grubhub app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just come to this list here, and here can you choose this here or what you want to pay. So I'm going to click in this. So then it's going to take us to this list. So I'm go back. Then when you come to this list here, then all you have to do, you just go down. I'm going down here. So then here can you choose a type of burger you want to pay here. So I'm going to click in this for example. So then you just click on it, and here can you choose quantity here, and so then you click here on add to pack. So then it's going to take you to, so just switching to open with you here. When you click on pack here, then it here can you add all information. So and here click here on process checkout here and add your card information. So then it's going to pay with you here. When you here click on continue to payment methods, add your card information, then it's going to pay with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.